All right, welcome back to SouFLoTV again, everybody. It is your host with the most. So, this one is about a farmer, a charcoal farmer who chopped to death a hitman who came to take his life. Now, y'all know I got a lot to say on this one, but let me tell you how the story went first. Okay, so a Trelawney farmer who chopped one of the two alleged gunmen to death after they attempted to shoot him right in front of his common-law wife, is now being praised as a hero in his community for his bravery. The dead man has been identified as 34-year-old Sidane Galloway, otherwise called G-Dog, unemployed, of Mayfield District in Granville, Trelawney. Now, reports by the police are that about noon, big broad mid-daylight noon, the 45-year-old farmer, who is also a coal burner, and his common-law wife were on their farm in Green Park in the parish, attending to their coal pit when they were approached by Galloway and another man. Both men allegedly brandished handguns, and Galloway reportedly informed the farmer that you me come for kill, and you them send with her. So he knew right away that somebody had sent these men to kill him. He then walked over to the couple when the farmer, who had his machete, chopped Galloway in his upper body. The wounded man and his crony ran off, but Galloway, who received the chop, he collapsed from that chop a few meters away, while his crony managed to escape into the bushes. The farmer summoned the police, and upon the police arrival, Galloway was discovered laying in a pool of blood with a chop wound to his neck. He was transported to the hospital, where he was pronounced dead. One resident in the community told the Star that the farmer is a very brave man for his quick thinking, because his actions actually saved his own life, and it also saved his spouse's life as well. The police have indicated now that they have the identity of the other gunman, and they are currently looking for him. I saw in the big Christmas year. If 2020 isn't a frigged up year already. Watch now. So it has become this thing in Jamaica for the little no good people them, the little excrements about the place, if you take contract on people's life. Now, I don't know what kind of mind frame you have as a person, or what kind of dignity you're living with, or what you expect your end to be, if you allow yourself to become somebody who is able to take payment, money, from someone to go snuff out the life of someone that has never done you anything in life. Someone who you probably don't even know or has never had an interaction with up until the point that you were about to kill them. So these people are taking these jobs, these hits, and they're committing murder in broad daylight. Middle day, 12 o'clock in the day, you know. The man is on his farm with his woman, being productive and progressive. He is tending to his coal pit, himself coal, and he's minding his farm with his woman right by his side, helping him to earn a living and be productive and progressive. And here you come, middle day under the sun, with guns to take a man's life, a man that you had no dealings and no beef with, because somebody pay you some money and say go kill that man. So, in essence, what this was is karma backfired instantly. That is what this is. Karma backfired instantly. You know, in Jamaica, we have a saying, when you dig a pit, see, make sure you dig two. One for the person you are digging it for, and one for you. And my message to everybody is always that want good for others as much as you want good for yourself. So if it's death you want for yourself, then I guess you're going to want death for others. But most sane people they want life and prosperity for themselves. And there is no way, if you want life and prosperity for yourself and you want life and prosperity for others, that you would have it in yourself to go pick up a gun and take the life of an innocent person. Right? Karma backfired instantly. Now, again, we can go talk about the whole FLA thing and the process of getting a legal firearm in Jamaica. And I still stand on that premise at this moment. My suggestion to a solution is to arm the citizens of Jamaica legally and provide outlets with supervision for them, the gun novice them, to learn how to operate their weapon, how to break it down, how to put it back together, how to clean it, how to store it safely, and some quick draw lessons so they know in times of trouble how to operate to save themselves. Because gunmen have gun, and gunmen will always have gun. So even if they were to buy back all the guns in the country and they were to dig up every gun in the country, guess what? The guns are still coming in. So as one get catch, 5 more appear on the streets. So them can't take away all the guns from bad people and gunmen. The only other option is to give the citizens the right to own their legal firearm, and the FLA needs to do it in a more speedier and a more non-biased manner. And that me I say. Big up to the farmer there. You save your own life. And I bet money on it that after them kill the farmer, they were going to kill his spouse as well. Because she see them face and she knows, say, them, she can pick them out in a lineup. They came to kill 2. They ended up losing one of their own lives. And the other one run like a big scaredy cat that he is. Leave your comments in the comment section below. Tell me what you think about this one. It's SouFLoTV. Like, comment, share, subscribe, and I'll catch you on the next video. I'm out. Peace.